Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you guys are fine and safe. First of all, this video is all about the prediction. Second, there are many things that I want to share and I have made these things. I will share these shortly because there have been a lot of changes in IELTS, in IDP, in exam pattern that I really want to share, and I want to give some tips and tricks regarding that. So first of all, make sure stay tuned, and now without wasting any time, let's start with the prediction video. And here we are talking about the writing part. Once again, before starting, I would like to mention that prediction is a secondary thing, preparation is primary, and it is a guesswork which 90% is correct, but still I know you have booked your test because you have prepared well, right? And here we go with the writing. First of all, we will talk about task 1. The chances are really high that you will probably get a bar graph, a pie, or a table. The chances of these tasks are really high, but still make sure to read the others too. And if you don't have any material or any video, I'm sharing a playlist in the description. You can also go there, and if you don't have, you can also text me on WhatsApp. I will share. Okay. And if I talk about task 2, probably you will get an agree or disagree essay or discuss both views essay. Like most of the time, the chances are more than 60 or 65% that you are gonna get one out of these. After this, we are talking about the reading part. Now this is something important. Let's talk about the level. First of all, the level of passage 1 is predicted to be easy, and it will be moderate and difficult in passage 2 and passage 3 respectively. Apart from this, talking about the question type, the chances of getting true, false, not given and yes, no, not given are all time high. Second most common question is expected to be a list of a heading, and we can also say find the information in the following paragraph. And the third one is MCQs, which are probably going to be asked in the third passage. Now let's move to the listening part. The speed of section 1 is predicted to be low, and it will be moderate in the both second and third section, and it is also expected to be high in the last one. And if I talk about the common question types which you will likely be getting, these are fill in the blanks, map, multiple choice questions in third and fourth sections. So basically this is the prediction for the 8th May's test. And once again, I want to mention there are many things that I want to discuss. I was not getting enough time actually. I had 3 batches. One is 6:30 a.m., one is 9 a.m. and one is 7 p.m. for work permit students. And I was not getting enough time, but now I have all the time and I will post some important videos, tips and tricks. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.